This is part one of our chemistry project. This is an example of endothermic and exothermic reaction. We're using the candle and the lighter. I'm going to light the candle. This is an example of combustion and exothermic reaction because energy is being released. And once we put the lid on top, the candle goes out. So that's an example of endothermic reaction.
Our chemistry experiment. This is a half of Three Musketeer bar, and this example is conservation energy. Conservation energy states that the energy observed from the surroundings are released to the surroundings is equal to change in the energy of the system. Next. Here we have the other half of the Musketeer bar, which is melted, and this is the example of activation energy.
Okay, this is part 3 of our chemistry project. Here we have hot water and cold water in 2 tea bags. I'm going to place a tea bag in each cup of water. We're going to see what happens. The hot water, it's making tea, and the cold water is not really doing anything. And this is an example of heat versus temperature. This is the ending result of heat versus temperature experiment. So you have tea here, and you have a cup of ice cold water with a tea bag in it. This is our fourth part of our chemistry experiment. We have a lemon. It's been sitting in the fridge, still is good. And then there's this lemon. It's been sitting outside. It's growing stuff. Doesn't look too good. Doesn't smell too good either. This lemon is an example of decomposition and activation energy.
Right?
I don't know.
Oh, then never mind. Start over. This is an example of no. This is our chemistry project.
This is part 2 of our chemistry project. We have a half of a Musketeer bar. Sorry though.
This is our dang. This is our fourth part